Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to get the lightning effect in chess.com. Now, before we begin, do take note that 2 years ago, there was a specific lightning effect, but due to performance reasons for the site, they removed it, but you can still get it to a degree. So how do we do that? We want to click on the gear icon or settings icon on the lower left corner of your screen like so. This pop-up will appear, click on all settings. There you go. Once you are in the settings tab, you want under boards and pieces, so which is the default setting here. Click on pieces and then scroll down until you see piece animations. So by default, it's going to be slow. You want to click on arcade. And as you can see here, there's somewhat of a lightning effect when your chess piece moves. After that, all you need to do is play the game and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.